Presidente República Jujur Horta foi condecoração da Polícia ONU no Unpol, hamutuk ng Hitu. Cerimônia condecoração realizada no Palácio Presidencial Baripite Dili, terça-feira Tolo, fulan setembro tinane. Presidente da Associação Veterano Polícia Federal Austrália, David Seves, actuir mudança bot nebe acontecer tina riung ida atau sia senulu resensia. No oin loron senti contente, tamba bele simo reconhecimento justiça Estado. Quando a missão neve sira halo e Timor Leste, e tina ronulu resen lima liba.
On behalf of the Australian SIPPOL that were here with UNIMET in 1999, I would just like to say how much it means to us to return to East Timor and to see how well the country is growing, how happy the people here are, and the incredible changes that have occurred since the terrible times in 1999. To meet President Horta and to receive recognition for our service 25 years ago is a really important thing to us, and it makes us feel very happy to know that the people and the government of East Timor appreciate the work that we did 25 years ago. So I'd just like to pass my appreciation to everybody and wish East Timor future happiness, future prosperity for their ongoing future. And I can guarantee that the Australian police are served here will continue to be friends to East Timor, continue to work to help, and will continue to come back to meet you all in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have business card?
Reportagem Sabina Sansa, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atau tem informação atual dia kliu, kita haluha. Hanai botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.